Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. Welcome to online English class. I hope you are doing good. Today I'll deliver lecture 3 and topic is learning about language and our activity is speech practice. Now open book page number 92. Now students, on page number 92 today we'll do spelling and speech practice. Note down the following: regret, regretted; carpet, carpeted. Notice the similarities between the two words regret and carpet. क्या similarities हैं इनमें? They both end in at and consist of two syllables. ये दोनों किस पे end हो रहे हैं? At. और कितने syllable हैं इनके? Two syllables हैं. Regret, carpet is pronounced with the stress on the second syllable. अब जो first one है regret, उसमें किस पे स्ट्रेस देते हैं? सेकेंड सिलेबल पे स्ट्रेस देते हैं, विच मीन्स ग्रेट पे. एंड कारपेट इज प्रोनाउंस्ड विद द स्ट्रेस ऑन द फर्स्ट सिलेबल्स. किस पे स्ट्रेस देंगे? खार एंड देन पेट. व्हेन अ सुफिक्स इज एडेड टू अ वर्ड विद two or more syllables and the stress is on the last syllable, the final consonant is double. सुफिक्स किसे कहते हैं? जैसे लाके हम बनाते हैं उर्दू में, इस तरह इंग्लिश में उसे क्या कहते हैं? सुफिक्स कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल क्या है इनकी? डेटर बिकम्स डेटर्ड, ओमिट बिकम्स ओमिटेड. अब इस पे आप देखें कि लास्ट जो कॉन्सोनेंट है डेटर का आर, इट बिकम्स डबल और क्या वर्ड बन जाएगा? डेटर्ड. ओमिट का लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट क्या है? टी, एंड वो डबल हो जाएगा एंड क्या बन जाएगा? वर्ड ओमिटेड. When the stress is not on the last syllable, the last consonant is not double. और अगर लास्ट syllable पे आपका स्ट्रेस नहीं होता तो कॉन्सोनेंट डबल नहीं होगा. जैसे कि कारपेट है तो कारपेट में स्ट्रेस किस पे आ रहा है? खार पे. तो हम लास्ट का कॉन्सोनेंट डबल नहीं करेंगे, हम क्या लिखेंगे? सिंपल कारपेटेड. वी एडेड ई. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Add at to the following. First, find out which is the stress syllable by saying the word aloud a few times. Now, say the word with me. Accustomed, rebel, straighten, correspond, prefer, permit, defer, ransom, credit, admit, vomit, offer, regret, occur, drip. Now let's find out which is the stress syllable. Now in straightened, stress syllable is straight and then end. So first stress syllable is straight. So we add here add. So the word become straightened. ठीक है. आपसे कहा गया है कि अगर फर्स्ट सिलेबल पे स्ट्रेस होगा तो हम सिंपल एड उसमें ऐड कर देंगे, लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट डबल नहीं होगा. लेकिन अगर सेकेंड सिलेबल पे स्ट्रेस होगा तो हम लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट को क्या कर देंगे? डबल कर देंगे. नाउ रेबल. रेबल में आप देखें कि स्ट्रेस जो है वो किस पे आ रहा है? सेकेंड सिलेबल पे आ रहा है, तो कॉन्सोनेंट क्या हो जाएगा? डबल हो जाएगा. रेबल REBELLED हो जाएगा. तो क्या हो जाएगा? रेबल्ड. ठीक है, क्या हो जाएगा? रेबल्ड. अब आप देखिए स्ट्रेस किस पे आ रहा है? अकस्टम्ड. अकस्टम में स्ट्रेस किस पे आ रहा है? सेकेंड सिलेबल पे. एंड रेबल स्ट्रेस इज ऑन सेकेंड सिलेबल. स्ट्रेटन stress is on first syllable. Correspond, so stress is on third syllable. Pond. Prefer, stress is on second syllable. Fur, so the last consonant becomes double. Preferred, double RED. Now in sixth one, permit, stress is on second syllable. Deferred, stress is on second syllable. Fur, so the last consonant becomes double. Ransom, stress is on first syllable. Ransomed. So we add simple add here. So the word become ransomed. Credit, stress is on first syllable. Cra, and then did. So we add here ed, so it becomes credited. Admit, stress is on second syllable, mit, so it become the last consonant become double, so the word is admitted. Vomit, stress is on first syllable, wo. Offer, stress is on first syllable, offer. Regret, stress is on second syllable, gret. Regret, so last consonant become double. Occur, stress is on second syllable, and in drip, stress is on first syllable, drip. So last consonant will become double. Some words which end in do not follow this rule, like spin, begin. So these words do not follow this rule. Come to the next question. Add to the following. Check that you are correct by using your dictionary. Say these words aloud. Find out which is the stress syllable. Signal, propel, shovel, pedal, parallel, dial, total, panel, control, compel, distill, label, model, excel, revel. Now students, in these words, stress is on the last syllable. Which words? Signal. So stress is on the last syllable. So the final consonant is doubled. In this also, stress is on the last syllable. In shovel, stress is on the last syllable. Panel, stress is on the last syllable. Panel, so consonant, the final consonant is double. Controlled, stress is on the last syllable. Trolled, so the consonant is doubled. Completed, compelled, stress is on the last syllable, so it become double. The consonant will become double. Modeled, stress is on the last syllable, dull, so the consonant is doubled. Like excelled. Okay, you also check your dictionary. Now students, our next topic is simultaneous action. In this action, what does it mean? It means operating at the same time. Operating at the same time. In English, we use the words when, while and as to show two actions occurring at the same time. ठीक है, किन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं? इन 3 वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं जब दो एक्शन, कोई भी दो काम एक ही वक्त में हो रहे हों. We can use the past continuous tense and the simple past tense in the same sentence. Past continuous में you know well क्या helping verb यूज़ होता है? Was were. And simple past tense में हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? Second form of verb. Here are the some examples. When I was living in Islamabad, I learned to ride a bicycle. Now you can see there are 2 parts of this sentence. The first part is past continuous and second they use past indefinite. Now you can see the helping verb here. Was किससे पहले है? Present participle से पहले है. And which word they use? When. And second part there is a learned second form of verb. किसकी? Simple past tense, which means which tense is this? Simple past tense. Now you can see the second example. While they were showing my parents the library, I played outside. Now again they use the second word while. Past continuous, were showing, which means which tense is this? Past continuous. And played, second form of verb, and the use in the next tense is which tense? Past tense, simple past tense. The third example, she arrived at the station as the train was leaving. She arrived. Here is past indefinite. Arrived, there is a second form of verb. As the train was leaving, which means which tense is this? Past continuous tense. Now look at the sentence. Question number 2 is, make sentences by using the keywords and the words in A and B. Use the correct tenses of the verb given in brackets. If the keywords start with a capital letter, begin your sentence with it. Keywords are given. Just as, while, as with capital letter, while and when with capital. In column A and B, sentences are given. The dog leave the kennel. We enter the garden. So let's make a sentence. The dog was leaving the kennel. just as we entered the garden. So entered change into second form because which tense is this? This is past indefinite. And the dog was, which helping verb we use? Was, because which tense is this? Past continuous tense. Was and use present participle, which means leave turn to living. Second, while the older children were painting pictures, the young ones slept. Again, while the older children were painting pictures, the younger ones slept. Come to the next as. The musician started playing as he was walking into the room. यहाँ पे भी कौन सा सेंटेंस यूज किया हमने? पास्ट इंडेफिनेट. और यहाँ पे कौन सा यूज किया हमने? पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. The musician started playing as he was walking into the room. Fourth one is as they put turns to verb putting, because which tense we use here? We use past continuous. As they were putting on their shoes, it began to rain. सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करेंगे begin की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? Began. Shazia and Naima were studying the menu while the waiter cleared the next table. Shazia and Naima were studying the menu while the waiter cleared the next table. The last one, when he was crossing the road, he fell and hurt himself. He fell and hurt himself. Now student, what is your task? You have to drill and practice of these sentences. Do practice of past continuous and simple past tense, and you have to do this all work in your NB with very neat presentation. Allah Hafiz.